want to talk about this cactus kale. It works like a cap. It looks like a bale, and it's got a little hole at the top. And see, if I was to make a pendant like this, it's pretty bland. However, as soon as I put this over, it is transformed and so super cool. Normally, if it was the case that I was going to just do this, I could use a head pin or a ball pin, but I'm going to make a connector out of it. So I'm going to make a loop like this and wire wrap the loop. And then I think I'm going to go this way. Yes, and go this way. So the loop will be here so that I could hang something off of it later. And then all I have to do is at the top do the same thing. And I make sure I hold it tightly and I form this over. Make sure that's good. And then I'm going to make the loop slightly bigger. This. I straighten out and pull tightly and wrap it a couple of times. You could decide how many times you want to wrap, because the focus isn't going to be on that. People would be drawn to the kale. And then I trim. And then I'm ready to go. I could do this. I could add something to that. And I just adjust to make sure that the loops are straight. And there you have it.